Baker over here mowing hay today. Starting mowing hay. Got the 6420 and 835 Moco. Jake's eating cookies. I got some cookies too. Let's get this little patch here, then we're gonna go on the other side of these woods over here. And then we got another patch over here on this side of the woods. I'm gonna have a whole bunch of funny faces of you on my camera. Alright, we just got done mowing. I mowed all the stuff across the road from the farm, and it's actually making really good hay. We put a little bit more urea down than we usually do, so I think that's going to help with the hay. Hopefully, the hay kind of got frosted with a late frost as it was coming up this year, so I don't know what that's going to do to the rest of the hay. I know we put a little bit extra on this side over here, so I don't know what that's going to have to do with, I don't know what's going to happen with all the other hay, so we're just going to have to see. But I'm going to head back over to the farm and call it a night. Alright, it's the next day. We got a busy day going today. It is about 4 o'clock, and we got the air drill going, planting sorghum up there. Hay mower's going. He mowed this today, and he's mowing some waterways up there. I'm bringing the round baler up to the barn to switch it out for my planter. I'm gonna get the corn planter, bring it back down here to the farm. We're gonna fill up, and then we will start planting this field right here. All right. Gotta get this dump truck out of the way. Move George's truck out of the way. That thing will take a minute to air up. Get this truck out of the way. Baby calf, bottle calf. He's looking really good. Anyways, I'm gonna move this truck and then we will get to the planter. This cab's already a filthy mess and I haven't even started planting yet. Alright, here we go. We're rolling. Head down to the farm. Dad's brought the fertilizer tender down there to weigh it. We had some fertilizer left from doing stuff for Mike the other day, so he wanted to weigh that before he forgot. Then he's going to come back up here and get the seed tender, and we'll get this thing loaded up. Alright, got her unfolded. George had to put a row of cow manure down through here, so had to ease through that, but we're getting ready to load up here. I might actually back up a little bit so Dad can get here easier. Back up. looks good there. Set this thing down here. Makes it easier to get to. There we go. Alright, now we'll go see where Dad is. Alright, we got fertilizer in, seed in. We are all ready to go. We'll head down here to the bottom and get set up. We might have to adjust depth. I'm not sure, so I'm sure there's going to be plenty of stuff that we will have to fix. So we're getting there. We're farther ahead than we were yesterday, so hopefully we'll have some corn in the ground tonight. All right, we're going. Putting corn in the ground. This is my favorite thing to do. That or combine corn. One of the two. Hopefully I can get this 90 done tonight, and then I don't know if I'll work on the little patches down by the golf course or not. It depends on what Dad wants me to do, but I'm definitely going to try to get this 90 done in front of the house here today. So it is 6:25 right now, so getting this in-row put on. We got everything set up. It's all working good. We didn't really have much trouble. Other than I don't really know what there was. We got everything set good, so we didn't have any major issues, which is always good. So this is what we're going to be doing. We got her going. So hopefully we can get a decent amount of corn in here in the next few days. We got some dry days ahead, so yeah, hopefully we can get some acres knocked out. We've got us a row that ain't planted. Row number 17. Let's see what we got. I fooled around with it a little bit. Maybe I got something broke loose that was causing it not to plant, but it looked to me like it had seed in the box, so there's no reason it shouldn't have been planting. So we'll get going here again and see what happens. Alright. Get our hydraulics put back going here. That going back. And start up here. Auto steer. See what we got. Still says that 17 is not planted. It's kind of weird. Well, now it went away. Sometimes things are just weird. Anyways, we're rolling along here. Doing my second pass up here along the road. Dad was running the airway, breaking up some of that, working in somewhere where George had the manure at. He was spreading manure off the feedlots, so I think he got done with that, and I think Dad's gonna go over there across the creek and spray a little bit to get that killed off, and I'll just be going back and forth here. We'll get these inrows on. This is my last bit of inrows here. Once I get up to the corner of the house up there, and then I will go ahead and mark an AB line and come straight down through here.
George,
so
pull that spreader or back it all the way up in there as far as you can, because that way Dad don't have to move it to get that pan out, because we're going to be using that pan some here in the next few days.
Anyways, everything's working good other than that one row. That's the only issues I've had, so hopefully it'll stay that way. Alright, I'm hungry. I'm gonna go get me something to eat. That, and I've got to get my sunglasses because the sun's getting bright. So, go in the house and grab me a snack, and then we will go down to the shop and get my sunglasses, and then we'll be back out here. We got all the inroads done. We just got to go down there that way and set an AB line, go straight back and forth through the whole field, and we'll be off. Then it will be easy running from there on. Grass looks good, nice and green. Not any weeds in it yet. Got the old spray truck. We got fertilizer in there for when I run out. Probably got about 150 gallon in there in the tractor so far, or that's what I got left. So should be able to go for a little bit before I need to fill up. Alright, we're getting close to being done with this 90 here. I'm working on the roads right here in front of the house. The house is like right there, so we're getting close to being done. I got 90 acres of corn in the ground, so that's better than what we had yesterday, which was 0. So I guess it is what it is. So I think I'm going to be okay on fertilizer. I'm going to barely have enough. You guys probably can't see because I can barely see it, but I guess Dad got the seat tender loaded up and we got the air drill emptied out. So Jacob was planting sorghum, which is what we're going to use for silage this fall, or for some of it. And we'll blend that. I think we're going to try to blend that in with this corn silage. This corn that I'm planting right now will go for silage. We'll put this up there in the silos over there. But we have to clean that out after we got done planting that sorghum. So we got a little bit more sorghum to plant, but we got to get the wheat off out there at the other farm first. So we're gonna be planting beans tomorrow. I don't know if we'll be able to run both drills because we don't have operators for both drills, and I'm not sure if I'll go to school tomorrow or not. We'll see how it goes. But anyways, we're closing in on this field here, and I guess we'll start on another one tomorrow. All right, we're done. Dad's here to pick me up. We're gonna head home.